Welcome to the Once Human Marketplace. But why do we need this? Maybe you think of Blackfell as a mall, but a really small one. I mean, you literally have to build a car review, drive all the way across the map just to sell this. Isn't it annoying to wander between worlds, checking vending machines, only to find none of them have the items you're looking for? Or seeing world chat flooded with promotions? We feel your pain. Introducing the Once Human Marketplace, a platform designed to let you sell items by placing a vending machine at your base. Everyone on your server can see what you're selling, with full details and even your base's location. Want to buy it? Just visit the base and make the purchase. It's easier to compare prices, check calibration ranks, and the best part? You can chat directly with the seller. This site also features a backpack option, where you can display all the items you have, making item exchanges a breeze. In the future, we'll be adding more features, including a warband system to level up your gameplay. So why wait? Let's get started and create your account. First, head over to oncehuman.shop and click on Marketplace. You'll be taken to the registration page. Enter your in-game nickname, select your region, server, and world. And finally, input your base coordinates from the game. Congratulations, you now have an account. If you play on multiple servers, you can create more profiles by clicking Switch Account. Now, how do you actually use the marketplace? On the left, you'll see different product categories. You can search for items or sort them by type. Click a product to view its details. If you want to buy it, click Copy to get the vending machine location, paste it into your in-game map, and head over to make the purchase. Have questions or want to negotiate? Click Chat to talk with the seller directly. You can also see if the seller is online or offline. So how do you post your own vending machine? Go to your profile by clicking the box in the top right corner. You'll be redirected to your profile page. Open the Vending tab, click Create, select the item you want to sell, fill in the details, and hit Post. Once posted, refresh the page, and you'll see your vending listed under Vending. To delete it, just click the red cross button. In the Backpack tab, you can list all the items you own, making it visible to others for easier item exchanges. The Marketplace also has a contact list feature, allowing you to find and chat with players privately. We offer a public server chat as well, so you can communicate with players on your server. The website is still in development, and we're constantly adding new features. Share your ideas with us using the feedback feature, and support us through donations so we can continue improving and providing you the best experience.